Self-marking quizzes can be great ways for students to check their understanding. Here's how to do it. Begin by going to the Settings part and then selecting Quizzes. Turn on Quiz, and now you can select from the options available. Select the type of question you'd like to use. Then type in your question. You can also add elements like images or videos. Finally, type in your sample answers. Click on Required so students have to answer the question, and then go into the answer key. Give it a value if you want to, and indicate the correct answer. It's all done. Here's what it looks like for students. The red star indicates it's required. Pretty easy, huh?